Today, I'll be teaching you how to build your first application using Qwen AI. So they have a web dev feature that allows you to build any kind of mobile app you're looking for. Although we do have a lot of AI that are out there. So Qwen Coder released their own, I think, few weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, which is just 1 month. So in today's talk, we'll be diving how to build your first maybe a SaaS app using Qwen Coda. So before we go on, so you can search Qwen AI on Google or any browser you are using. You can search Qwen AI. So once you search Qwen AI, and this you jump into the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like when you want to use Qwen AI. So although it already has my name, as you can see, so in case you log in or you sign up, this is how it looks like once you log in or sign up using maybe your Google account or any kind of maybe your Microsoft or your email. So all done for that. Then once you're done, we now move to building of applications. Maybe you want to build a SaaS or any kind of app. Maybe you have a brainstorm idea that you want to see visually. You don't want to imagine this idea. You want to remove it from your imagination and visualize your idea. You can use AI vibe coders right now. They are the future of coding. So you can use AI coders. There are so many AI coders complex than this, but as a beginner, I'm going to break down step by step on how to do that. So before going, maybe you are lost of actually arranging your app. You don't know how to maybe arrange the app due to a beginner or due to somebody that the idea is breaking down. What I advise you to do, if you do know ChatGPT, you go on ChatGPT. Now you see why I'm on ChatGPT, because you need to know how to communicate with artificial intelligence. You need to know how to prompt with AI. So that is what I'll be breaking down right here in this ChatGPT interface that we are. So once you have that your idea, I advise you just maybe if you're not good at prompting, give it to ChatGPT anyhow you have it. So I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT, um, I I talk to my ChatGPT as if he's my pal. So I'll say, hey buddy, please, I want to create an app like a an AI thumb yeah thumbnail app where people use use AI to build thumbnails for all their social media, for all their social media accounts. Yeah. So once you are done doing this, oh sorry, my social media spelling was wrong. So sorry for that. I'm just gonna correct that. So I'm just gonna correct. Yeah, my social media accounts. Yeah. So once you are done, then do you know that this is not a good prompt? So we are not asking ChatGPT to actually build this app for us. No, that is not what we are talking about. We are using ChatGPT to enhance our prompt. So like I said, enhance. So you need to keep it in mind. So you need to do keep it in mind that you need to use ChatGPT to enhance most of your prompts. So that is what we'll be discussing here. So now I will not tell ChatGPT just a two words enhance my prompt. So I'm just going to say enhance this um I give you simple. So this is as easy as a baby as putting spoon in a baby. So you can see the enhanced prompt ChatGPT gave us. So the enhanced prompt looks more arranged, more organized than the one we gave to ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT I want to build an AI powered thumbnail app and an app for Android that allows users to automatically generate high quality thumbnail for their social media platforms, including Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and more. This app should use AI and help users customize their thumbnails with a smart suggestion for layout, text color, and design based on the content keyword. So this is crazy on just these two words. You just need, maybe if you are bad at prompting, you do not know the steps on prompting, you're a beginner, all you need to know is just to pick just enhance my prompt I gave you, because you is a brainstorm and is an idea that is broken down in your memory and you want to remove from your imagination. You give it to ChatGPT, just tell ChatGPT to enhance this prompt and make it very organizable. So ChatGPT has done that. So I'm just going to copy this and we are going to Qwen and see the magic of Qwen. So we are going to be moving to Qwen. So once you're in Qwen, you click on the web dev. So you are seeing this button. You just click on web dev. You have tagged web dev AI feature to actually help you build apps like this. But however, you can also make the AI more accurate by clicking on the thinking. But I do not advise that, because for the sake of this video, if I click on the thinking button, it will delay our app. So it might take 5 minutes to build this app. Maybe sometimes 2 minutes, as no, not even 2 minutes, 6 minutes above and that. So that is why I'm not advising anyone right away that just maybe looking forward quickly to see the app that they have given the prompt they are giving to this AI to build in their app. So you can see that the more you think, the tokens you dissipate. So from that, I'm not going to click on that. And however, if you do want to upload maybe your documents and image as a reference for your app, even a video and audio, you can do that with Qwen. And if you don't want to use your voice or your video chat, Qwen is acceptable for you. So I'm just going to paste the prompt that we give Qwen. So I'm going to paste it. So it's easy, and just click on your enter button. So this is going to build us an app. So what it does is it's coding it using maybe React, and it's going to open a canvas where it deploys our app when it's done, or it previews this app. So you can see it's building the application for us. So watch as this AI builds us and our application. So it's free. You don't need to pay any dime for you to start using this AI. So the link is the first link in the description. So just go there, click the link, and you'll see the link to Qwen, and you start using Qwen AI. So in case you do want to come in contact with me, although my face is not on the screen today, you can watch some of my videos that I posted and see how to use some AI apps as a beginner. Um, and if you do want to see my everyday um, workout on artificial intelligence, and my Instagram link is in the description. Just go there, click on it, and um, send me a DM by just saying easy code. Then I will send you a one-on-one booking call for free, with me and you just booking and knowing how to implement AI in your business or any kind of area you want AI to be implemented, or maybe you're just getting started, or you just want to learn. I am using this month to teach people how to use artificial intelligence in a short way and easy way. Like, artificial intelligence has been the easiest opportunity right now in the door. So this app is finally done. So now it's done. We can press click here to preview this app. But though we are waiting for the app to be to be on our canvas, as you can see, is done. So we are just going to see the templates it gave us. Wow. So you can see what it gave us, a story. So although this is just a front end app it built for us, so this is how you can maybe build apps. So as time goes on, you can edit it. Yes. So as time goes on, you can edit it. So enter your video title or description. So to generate a thumbnail. So I'm just going to say free. Let's try it out. Free AI cool. Yeah, that's what we are going to be doing. Let's say my keywords here and AI. So for this, so I'm just going to see whether it's going to generate a thumbnail for me. So it actually generated a thumbnail, but it do not function right. So this is what it built for me. Well, let's just see whether I can save it or download it. So let's click on download. So my download is not even working. Yeah, my download is not working. So this is what this built for us. But if I don't want to save the image due to I'm on Google, I can just click on here and save the image. But although this is not yet accurate because I haven't added the backend API for maybe using Midjourney, the likes of Dali, and buying some API token and building this app. But if you do want to take it to the next level, you can use apps like Kilo, Vibe Code, and sorry, I say Vibe Code, VS Code. You can use app like VS Code. You can use app like Cursor AI. Those to generate more advanced user experience. Although this is just a basic app, like I said, maybe just brainstorming your idea with artificial intelligence. So thank you for staying throughout on this video. Thank you very much. I do want you to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this to come. My name is Malik Idris, and I will catch you up on my Instagram. So just send me easy code and I will give you a free booking code on how to use any kind of AI you have been seeking to use. So thank you very much.